Our bodies are complicated symphonies of chemical reactions, and hormones are the conductors of this intricate symphony. They are chemical messengers that move through the bloodstream, conveying messages that govern a vast variety of biological activities, from growth and development to metabolism and mood. When it comes to altering our bodies, whether it's reducing extra fat or creating lean muscle, hormones play a key role. Imagine your body as a well-tuned instrument, and hormones as the skillful musician. Just as a harmonic tune needs each instrument to execute its part correctly, accomplishing your fitness objectives relies on the precise balance and interaction of many hormones. These hormones govern how our bodies consume energy, store fat, and build muscle. Understanding their responsibilities is vital for anybody looking to improve their body composition and attain enduring fitness achievement. Insulin, a hormone generated by the pancreas, is commonly referred to as the store hormone. Its principal job is to control blood sugar levels by transporting glucose from the circulation into cells to be utilized for energy. When we ingest carbs, our blood sugar rises, stimulating the production of insulin. Think of insulin as a vigilant traffic controller, controlling the flow of glucose into cells like a conductor leading musicians to their allocated places. When insulin levels are high, our bodies are in storage mode, favoring the absorption of glucose into cells. Cells, notably muscle and fat cells, this is crucial for giving energy and refilling glycogen reserves after exercise, but persistently higher insulin levels frequently produced by a diet heavy in refined carbs and sweets may lead to increased fat accumulation and make it hard to lose weight. Cortisol, frequently named the stress hormone, is generated by the adrenal glands. It plays a critical part in our body's reaction to stress, both physical and emotional. When we confront a stressful scenario, our bodies produce cortisol, which helps mobilize energy storage, boosting blood sugar levels, and giving us with the fuel we need to cope with the issue. While cortisol is vital for life, persistently increased levels, generally induced by chronic stress, lack of sleep, or overtraining, can have harmful consequences on our systems. High cortisol levels may contribute to increased fat accumulation, especially around the abdomen region, muscular breakdown, and delayed recovery from exercise. Managing stress via strategies like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature is vital for keeping cortisol levels in line and regulating body composition. Testosterone, traditionally considered the principal male sex hormone, is also found in women, but in lesser concentrations. It plays a critical role in muscular development, strength, and athletic performance. Testosterone stimulates protein synthesis, the process by which our bodies generate and repair muscle tissue. Think of testosterone as the master builder, giving the blueprints and resources for developing a powerful and muscular body. Adequate testosterone levels are critical for promoting muscle development, improving strength, and enhancing recovery from exercise. Factors that might adversely affect testosterone levels include age, obesity, chronic stress, lack of sleep, and some drugs. Conversely, resistance exercise, regular sleep, and a good diet may help enhance testosterone levels naturally. Growth hormone generated by the pituitary gland is another crucial musician in the hormonal symphony that affects body composition. As its name indicates, growth hormone is vital for growth and development, especially throughout childhood and adolescence. However, growth hormone also serves a key function in adults, controlling muscular development, fat metabolism, and tissue regeneration. Growth hormone boosts protein synthesis, accelerates fat breakdown, and improves the usage of fat for energy, making it a formidable ally in the quest for a lean and muscular body. Growth hormone production is pulsatile, meaning it's produced in spurts throughout the day, with the largest amounts occurring during deep sleep. Factors that may impact growth hormone production include exercise, sleep, stress, and diet. Estrogen, traditionally linked with female reproductive health, also plays a critical role in metabolism and body composition in both women and men. While estrogen levels are much greater in women, men also make and need estrogen for good health. Estrogen regulates fat distribution, insulin sensitivity, and bone health. It helps control appetite and energy expenditure, playing a part in maintaining a healthy weight. Imbalances in estrogen levels, whether too high or too low, may lead to weight gain, especially in women. Factors that might alter estrogen levels include aging, stress, and exposure to certain environmental pollutants. Maintaining a healthy weight, participating in regular exercise, and eating a balanced diet may help manage estrogen levels naturally. Our food choices have a dramatic influence on our hormonal milieu, altering the delicate balance of these chemical messengers. The foods we eat may either promote or disturb hormonal equilibrium, eventually influencing our capacity to shed weight, develop muscle, and reach our fitness objectives. A diet heavy in refined carbs, sweets, and unhealthy fats may lead to insulin resistance, persistently raised cortisol levels, and abnormalities in other hormones, causing a cascade of metabolic disturbances that limit fat loss and encourage fat storage. Conversely, a balanced and nutrient-dense diet, rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber, may assist improve hormonal balance, improving insulin sensitivity, controlling cortisol levels, and encouraging the synthesis of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. Exercise is not only about burning calories, it's a potent stimulation that triggers a significant hormonal reaction, altering the very symphony of chemical messengers that regulate our body composition. Different forms of exercise stimulate unique hormonal reactions, each contributing to the complicated dance of fat loss and muscle building. Resistance exercise, such as weightlifting, is especially effective in boosting testosterone levels, promoting muscle protein synthesis, and increasing muscle growth. Growth hormone synthesis high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, characterized by short bursts of hard exercise alternating with brief rest periods, has also been found to boost growth hormone levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. Cardiovascular activity, although necessary for general health, has a less obvious influence on anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, yet it may still aid to fat reduction by boosting calorie expenditure and improving insulin sensitivity. Scientific study continues to untangle the delicate interaction between hormones, nutrition, exercise, and body composition. Numerous studies have provided light on the particular methods by which these elements alter our hormonal milieu and eventually form our bodies. For instance, a research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism indicated that a high-protein diet led to larger increases in testosterone levels and muscle protein synthesis compared to a regular protein diet in resistance-trained males. Another research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology indicated that triad exercises resulted in larger increases in growth hormone levels compared to steady-state cardio in both men and women. These results show the necessity of taking a comprehensive approach to fitness, recognizing that nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle variables all play a key part in improving hormonal balance and reaching our body composition objectives. Achieving ideal fitness is not only about calculating calories or clocking kilometers on the treadmill, it's about developing a harmonious interior environment where hormones are regulated and the body is poised for fat reduction and muscle growth. By adopting a holistic approach that covers a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, stress management strategies, and appropriate sleep, we may build an internal milieu that promotes hormonal balance, enabling our bodies to perform at their prime. I think of your body as a highly tuned instrument and your lifestyle choices as the expert hands that play it. By making intentional decisions that encourage hormonal equilibrium, we may compose a symphony of health, vigor, and appropriate body composition. In the pursuit of our fitness objectives, it's vital to remember that our bodies are not machines. They are sophisticated and active creatures, constantly responding to internal and external influences. Hormones are the messengers that convey these cues, providing valuable insights into our internal state. Learning to listen to our body's subtle signals, such as energy levels, mood fluctuations, and sleep patterns, can provide valuable clues about our hormonal balance. By paying attention to these cues and making adjustments to our diet, exercise regimen, or stress management techniques, we may fine-tune our approach and maximize our hormonal symphony for maximum health and fitness. Remember, gaining permanent fitness success is not about fast cures or excessive tactics. It's about building a sustainable and healthy connection with our bodies, acknowledging their inner knowledge, and supporting their natural cycles.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.